Oh my god. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. Hello, welcome back. So, as from the title, this video is going to be the MAC Selena La Reina collection. As you can see, when you open it, the receipt, black packaging. Ready? This is the collection. I got the eyeshadow palette, the highlight, liquid lipstick, a lip gloss, and of course 3 lipsticks because I love lipstick. Let's get to it. I've seen a lot of pictures with Selena and really natural, so I'm just gonna go in with the Masterprime to prime my face. I don't think I'm gonna use foundation. I think I'm gonna use concealer. And I'm just gonna cover up the redness and pimples that I have. Set my under eyes so it won't crease and my dark circles won't come out. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty. Okay, I'm done with the face. Now let's get to the fun part. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. Ah! So I did open the box, but I did not take it out of the packaging. Okay, so let me breathe. Let's open the palette. Oh my god, look at how cute! The detailing is amazing. What? Look at this. MAC? You outdid yourself. Woo. Wow. So these are the colors. Look at this. This is pretty much the ad photo that MAC has been like showing with the collection. So this is called Me Siento Muy Excited. I'm gonna go in with this color for my crease. Honestly, this music brings so much memories, like with my cousins and my family. To me, it's kind of crazy how, like, you know, she's been gone for so long, but she still has like such a huge impact, you know? It's really cool. I just realized I don't have concealer on my eyelids. Oh well. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this color in the side to darken it up a little bit, and I think I'm gonna blend it as well. So you're just gonna blend it like right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it up, and I'm going to use a clean blending brush to just slightly blend it up. I don't know if you could tell, but it's darkening it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the shadow here for the outer crease. So you just wanna pretty much do like a V on the outer corner. So in the areas that I didn't touch at all, I'm gonna go back in with this. So this color right here is speaking to me. So I think I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, because she's literally so beautiful. Wait, yeah. Can't get over her. Oh my god, this glitter is so beautiful. Like, do you see this color? Wow. For the bottom lash, I'm gonna go back in with this color. Okay, to save time, I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. Hold it. Okay, I'm back. Looks like I didn't do anything, but it made a difference to me at least. Oh, and I put mascara and my brow tint as well. So, on to the next thing is the highlighter. Okay, so again, the same little packaging, so freaking cute. Oh my god, it has her again. Hey Selena. I mean, come on. This is the most prettiest highlighter I have in my collection now. I don't want to touch it. I do bronzer and then highlighters, so I'm gonna use the Selena bronzer and blush. This is what it looks like. So if I really want like a jawline that makes it look like, you know, that I'm skinny, I like to use like a contour brush and just pack it in first. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the fluffier brush. The moment of truth. Okay, let's see. So it's kind of there. I mean, it's not meant to be like, blah, you know, like the way I like it, but is it worth the money? Yes, if you're into packaging like this. So the next things that I got was a lip gloss. Ooh, I'm not gonna use this, but let me just put it in the back of my hand so you guys can see. It's like a very pinky, sheery, ooh, very 90s. So that was Miss Bidi Bidi Bum Bum. So next is a liquid lipstick. It is called Dame un Beso. This is what it looks like. I love the silver bullet, it makes it look really chic. For MAC Cosmetics, I've never tried their liquid lipsticks. I'm not gonna use this one today, but I'll demonstrate it in the back of my hand. It has a teardrop applicator. Let's do it here. Ooh, it's like a fuchsia color. Perfect for the summer. I cannot wait to rock this. And that was Dame un Beso. Last thing that I got was the lipsticks. I am literally obsessed with MAC Cosmetics lipsticks. I've always been obsessed with them. Ever since I started into makeup, MAC lipsticks was like all I wanted. But did I always get it? No, because they're a little pricey. But anyways, the first one that I got is Selena Vive. Oh, okay, here's the packaging. Oh my god, the black and the silver, beautiful. So beautiful. So here's the lipstick, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a cute little flower in there. The next lipstick is Inolvidable. Here's the color. It's more of a pinkish nude, like a coral color, and that was Inolvidable. The last one, and the one that I will be using, is Queen of Cumbia. Love that name. Y'all don't know, I love Cumbia. This gorgeous Selena red. And I will be using her. And they had lip liners to go with these lipsticks, but I didn't get it. Hopefully this will work. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna use one of my lip liners that I already have. I'm going to be using Mahogany to outline my lips. So then I'm gonna outline the outer corner of my lips. Like this. I'm not gonna lie, I hate putting red lipstick on even though it's gorgeous, because one wrong move and it's like over. I'm obsessed. Literally obsessed. It's really dark. I know Selena's, hers is like a bright red, but whatever. Still really pretty. So this is the final look. Honestly, I'm really happy with the items that I've got. If you're into packaging and Selena, I definitely recommend this 100%. But honestly, if you don't want to spend the money, because it is not that cheap, especially for limited edition items at MAC. They actually bump up the prices on a lot of things. So honestly guys, you could probably find these type of colors anywhere else. But personally for me, I am beyond ecstatic with this collection. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!